Well, to be honest, CM Impact Guidebook, I didn't even study much from there. I relied wholly on my books and my qualified teachers and all the examinations in the school that were held. They all helped me hone up my skills, and they helped me in knowing what I lack. So I studied the books route, and the same guidebook also it helped. For pass marks, you can study, but if you aim for good results, you should always see your textbooks. The MCQs, I took knowledge from the CM Impact, and I just went through the question and answers that were in the CM Impact. But I think 20% it helped me. My favorite subject, to be honest, I don't like any subject, but I really like literature. I like English. I like because literature, even in Nepali and even in English, the stories they are not just plain lines. They speak to the soul. They teach us how to be human. They because you see words that we have in our heart, we cannot say sometimes we cannot express it from our words, but when we write it we can express it thoroughly. So I think I like literature, and I think every subject is good. Yes, that question has been eating me up lately because I've been thinking about many things, but I can't really pinpoint what I want to do because, to be honest, to me, everything feels, most of the things feel narrow. It feels like a rat race to me. So I hope that, what I really hope is that I can find my purpose in life and I can give my everything to it, my whole heart. Yes, my name is Wangaal Lama.